In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a secondary axis in a column graph in PowerPoint 2010. This is a super useful trick when you have two data series on very different scales and you want both of them to be easy to compare in the same chart. Instead of forcing everything into one axis and making one set of numbers hard to read, you can move one series to a secondary axis and instantly make your chart clearer and more professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on the column chart you want to edit. When you select the chart, you should see the chart tools appear, and that tells you you're ready to make changes to the data series inside the graph. The key here is to choose the specific data series that you want to display on a second axis. This is usually the series with a very different scale from the others, such as one set of values that is much larger or much smaller. Now click directly on the data series you want to move. If you click once, PowerPoint will select the chart, and if you click again on the individual series, it should highlight just that series. This is important because you don't want to change the entire chart by mistake. You only want to format the one series that needs its own scale. Once the correct series is selected, right-click on it to open the shortcut menu. From that menu, choose Format Data Series. This opens the formatting options for that specific set of columns. In PowerPoint 2010, this is where you can control how the series behaves, how it looks, and which axis it uses. Inside the Format Data Series window, look for Series Options. This is the section that controls the axis settings. Here, you should see an option for Secondary Axis. Select Secondary Axis, and PowerPoint will immediately assign that series to a new axis on the right side of the chart. That new axis allows the selected data series to be measured separately from the primary axis on the left. As soon as you apply it, you'll notice the chart changes. A second vertical axis appears on the right side, and now your chart is much easier to read because each series can be shown on a scale that makes sense for its values. This is especially helpful in business presentations, sales charts, comparison charts, and any time you are combining data that does not fit well on one scale. If the chart looks a little unbalanced at first, don't worry. You can fine-tune the formatting afterward by adjusting the axis labels, chart colors, or data series styles to make both sets of information stand out clearly. The goal is to make the chart readable, accurate, and visually clean for your audience. So to quickly recap, click your column chart, select the data series you want on the second axis, right-click and choose Format Data Series. Go to Series Options and then select Secondary Axis. PowerPoint will create a new axis on the right side and your chart will instantly become easier to interpret. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, chart tips, and presentation tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.